And Chuck?
Take your seats, please, thanks.
The Air Force takes an entire day to talk about sexual assault because it's so important to the health and welfare of our airmen. It's an important issue to not just active duty, but civilians and dependents and those that work with them. The idea is that the information provided encourages Dyess to make a change, to make it personal, to feel responsible for the prevention of sexual assault. It's not just up to one office, it's not just up to leadership, it's up to the entire Dyess community. All airmen of all ranks need to feel that responsibility to make a change in culture, to ensure their work center is one of mutual dignity and respect for all. The focus of the Stand Down Day was offender dynamics and identifying offenders. Now, offenders are a threat to our military, they're a threat to our military family. Now, we're also talking about a very small portion of our military community that actually commit this crime. So what that means is the majority of us, or non-offenders, or outstanding airmen, have an incredible amount of influence on preventing sexual assault. Now, the key to preventing sexual assault is understanding how offenders operate. So that was the key to the Stand Down Day is learning and understanding offender dynamics so that we can identify those behaviors and those actions at the earliest point possible, and we can intervene and create an environment that's free of sexual harassment, that's free of these comments, because we no longer want to hide these offenders. So if we identify those behaviors and those actions, we can help stop sexual assault before it gets to that point. So like I said earlier, we all have that responsibility of intervening. We just need to know what to look for. And that was the purpose of the Stand Down Day.
The difference between the two is an unrestricted report.